Hey guys, one of the things that's frustrating about Canvas conferencing is that there is not an easy iPad whiteboard screen sharing integration. But this is sort of a hack that I figured out that will give you iPad whiteboard access while you're in a conference. So there are a couple of things we have to do. First, you need to go in your MacBook to the App Store and you need to search IPEVO. And then you're going to download the IPEVO annotator. This annotator will give you that whiteboard function in a not too complicated format. The next thing that you need to do is make sure that your iPad is set up as a sidecar, which means that your iPad will be a screen extension. So you're going to click on your Apple in the top left corner, go to System Preferences. And at the bottom of your screen is a sidecar option. Click that. And that's going to search for your iPad, which should be the same username, the same account as your MacBook. So it should find it, and then I click on it. And so now my iPad is an extension of my computer, which I know you can't see at the moment, but it is. Then I'm going to open up IPEVO. I'm going to go to my Finder and search IPEVO, which I've downloaded. Search and applications. Oh, it's right there. I'm going to open that up. All right. So So what should pop up is this little annotation toolbar. Mine automatically went over to my sidecar, but this one might show up on your screen. And you're going to just drag this over to your iPad. So it's on the side of your iPad screen. And just have that ready there. Now you are ready to start the conference. So go ahead into your class, start your conference, enable your recording, name your conference, do all of those things. You're going to start it. And then after you would do microphone. I'm going to do listen only for now.
Only person in this conference.
So now I am going to share my screen. When I click share my screen, I have the option of my desktop screen or my iPad screen. So I'm going to click iPad. Screen 2. Now it is sharing screens, and so I can set up my whiteboard. So using my Apple Pencil, I'm going to click on the option that looks like a marker and a board. When I do that, I now have my whiteboard set up. I can change my pen color. I can change the thickness. There is a little bit of a lag, but if I am writing, so it's not too bad. And you can change, different things from there. You can have different colors. And then it's easy to erase by just pressing the trash can. And what's nice is everything that's happening on your board is being recorded in your conference as long as you have pressed start record. Additionally, I like that you can, when you are in your screen, you can still see your public chat. You can still see the number of students that are there, but you are seeing what the students are seeing as well. When you are done, when you end your meeting, and you can just quit the IPEVO, and that will close that out of your iPad. And then you can always disconnect the Sidecar to make your iPad its own screen again. All right, I hope that is helpful. Thank you.